Wow, that's a necklace, Lola.
Hi, here guys.
Thank you, Riley. Thank you. Here comes. Just something you want to put in the house. Very beautiful.
Princess necklace.
Oh, I think Velcro.
It's Velcro.
Let me help you, because it's a Velcro situation. You get it. Oh, you got it.
If it wasn't Velcro, I don't think your puppy could do it.
Luckily.
There you go.
Did you go to Disneyland?
Oh, did you find a necklace?
You are? Oh, you
I
don't?
cut your hair though.
Let's not go to
Here, let me
Disneyland.
hold your hair.
Don't go. He's gonna join the Space Rangers.
Good
Never seen it yet.
job. Here, babe. Can I help you?
No Disneyland.
Can I help you a little bit?
Manolo, I know you want to join the Space
Ready?
Rangers, but think of the future, man.
Let's do it like this.
So next Friday.
I don't think so. You don't seem that excited.
And then here.
All right.
I don't know if we're gonna get to the next president. Look at you. You are Cinderella.
We wouldn't have gotten it.
Nice, princess.
Look at you. It's
You
time.
are Cinderella. You look beautiful.
Like the princess.
Why do you
You kind of got to do
You know
it.
you had a mirror. I think there was a mirror
Yeah, they say
somewhere.
the
Mirror on the wall.
When he had that school, we had
She may never take it off.
Imagine there were a lot of Japanese.
It would be like Miss Havisham.
Okay, Lola, we're gonna leave in about 2 minutes. So if you have to pee or anything, now would be a good time. No, you sit here. Macho! You are so pretty. You make a perfect princess. Your shoes are sparkling. You make a perfect princess. And you, on the other hand, you trying to eat that heart?
He doesn't even make a good Prince Charles.
No, Riley, no. He's playing with it.
Sounds like
Riley, when he's done with it, you can have it. Until he's done. Like, wait, I'm gonna kill this thing. I must kill it. He's gonna pass out.
Baby.
I didn't say anything. It wasn't me.
you're a crazy. I'm coming for you. That's
Not that man, please. What'd you say to me? Man. Ooh, hold me back, Riley. Hold me back.
I love it.
You're lucky Riley saving me.
Anyway.